Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to open Wells Fargo bank account online. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Wells Fargo bank account. So here let's search for open Wells Fargo bank account online. Alright, so here let's scroll down, and here you can see we have here an option to open a Wells Fargo checking account online in minutes. So let's go to this website over here. Alright, so let's scroll down, and here you can see we can open our Wells Fargo bank account online with $25 as minimum deposit. So now let's click on open now, or you can just make an appointment at the branch as well. So here let's go back, let's open this link on new tab. So it might take some time to load. So here you can see you can either click on sign on or click on let's go. So let's click on sign on. So here you have to enter your Wells Fargo username and password, and then click on sign on. So here you can also click on let's go option, and here you have to enter your social security number and then your mobile number. And once you enter those information, you can just click on agree and continue, and then you have to enter your personal details. So once you do that, you'll be able to open your Wells Fargo bank account online. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.